Mr. G here. Let's go over a few really cool guitar licks. So the first one we're going to do is over here on the second string, 10th fret. We'll put our ring finger there, and we're going to place our index finger on the second string, 8th fret. And we're basically going to pick that note and pull it off. Just like that. Then we'll place our middle finger on the third string, 9th fret, and play that. So kind of like this. And your picking hand, you can just play it down or down and up. You know, I'm just going down. It's probably a little easier. And you just kind of play that over and over again, fast and faster each time. And then you take your ring finger on the 10th fret, second string, and you kind of bend it up there. See that? Then hit it again. Little vibrato if you want. Then place your index finger on the second string, 8th fret, and play that. And then place your middle finger on the third string, 9th fret, and play that. Little vibrato if you want. So kind of like. And I just slide it down there. So when you put it all together, it's kind of like. And you can do that like as many times as you want. 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, you know. Then the next part of the lick. So that's lick number 1. Now lick number 2, we're going to be doing some pull-offs. So take that ring finger in the second string, 5th fret, play it, and pull off to the index finger on the second string, 3rd fret. And then pull off that index finger just to that open B. So like this. So I'm only picking that first note. Again, play that as many times as you want. Just kind of slide that ring finger up to the 10th fret, 2nd string. Kind of pull up, kind of like a last lick. You're going back up there, that 10th fret, 2nd string. Playing that 8th fret, 2nd string with the index finger. And then ended it on that 9th fret, 3rd string with the middle finger. So you can keep hitting that first note there with the ring finger. Or you just hit it once and just keep pulling it off. Now the third lick, take your pinky finger on the 15th fret, 2nd string, and pull it off to the index finger on the 12th fret, 2nd string. Play that note on the 14th fret, 3rd string with the ring finger. So like this. Then play the 2nd and 3rd string with your ring finger on the 3rd string, 14th fret, and your pinky finger on the 2nd string, 15th fret. I kind of bend up that ring finger a little bit. And when it bends back down, play both those notes again. The ring finger on the 14th fret, 3rd string, and the pinky finger on the 15th fret, 2nd string. Hit that G note there with your index finger on the 12th fret, 3rd string. And then hit that E with your ring finger on the 14th fret, 4th string. Anyways, those are 3 kind of cool little guitar licks you can practice on. Keep on jamming.